Conformity Assessment Standards, Training, Implementation and Consultancy by URGS. Good day everyone. Welcome to this technical session presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. This session provides a comprehensive overview of our professional training programs, system implementation methodologies, and consultancy services for internationally recognized conformity assessment standards. We will be covering the following standards: ISO/IEC 17025, ISO/IEC 17020, ISO/IEC 17065, ISO/IEC 17021, ISO/IEC 17024, ISO/IEC 17029, ISO/IEC 17034, ISO/IEC 17043, ISO/IEC 17011. The objective of this session is to provide a structured understanding of these standards and outline how URGS supports organizations in achieving technical competence, regulatory compliance, and accreditation readiness. Organizational overview. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is engaged in delivering competency-based training programs, system design and implementation support, documentation development aligned with ISO/IEC requirements, internal and lead auditor qualification programs, end-to-end accreditation consultancy. Our approach is aligned with risk-based thinking, process approach, and control improvement principles, ensuring sustainable compliance frameworks for our clients. Conformity Assessment Framework. Conformity assessment framework is defined as the demonstration that specified requirements relating to a product, process, system, person, or body are fulfilled. The ISO/IEC 17000 series standards establish the framework for ensuring impartiality and independence, technical competence, consistency of operations, traceability, and validity of results. These standards are critical for organizations seeking national and international accreditation as well as regulatory recognition. Technical overview of standards. ISO/IEC 17025 Testing and Calibration Laboratories focuses on method validation and verification, measurement uncertainty, traceability to SI units, laboratory quality management system. ISO/IEC 17020 inspection bodies covers type A, B, and C inspection bodies, independence and impartiality, inspection methodologies and reporting. ISO/IEC 17065 product certification bodies includes certification schemes, product evaluation and decision rules, surveillance and recertification. ISO/IEC 17021 Management System Certification Bodies focuses on audit lifecycle management, auditor competence, certification decision processes. ISO/IEC 17024 Personal Certification addresses competence criteria definition, examination and evaluation processes, certification scheme management. ISO/IEC 17029 Validation and Verification Bodies covers greenhouse gas validation, sustainability reporting assurance, risk-based verification approach. ISO/IEC 17034 Reference material producers includes material homogeneity and stability, characterization processes, metrological traceability. ISO/IEC 17043 Proficiency testing providers focuses on inter-laboratory comparisons, statistical evaluation methods, performance monitoring. ISO/IEC 17011 Accreditation bodies defines accreditation processes, assessment techniques, oversight of conformity assessment bodies. Now, training methodology. URGS delivers structured modular training programs categorized as follows: foundation programs, uh, here interpretation of standard clauses, understanding of mandatory requirements; implementation programs, system development methodologies, clause-wise documentation guidance, risk and process mapping; internal audit training, ISO 19011 best auditing principles, audit planning, execution and reporting, non-conformity identification and root cause analysis. Lee audit programs, advanced auditing techniques, audit team management, certification audit simulation. All programs are delivered through instructor-led live sessions, case study-based learning, practical documentation exercises. Implementation and consultancy approach. URGS provides comprehensive implementation and consultancy services based on a structured methodology, gap analysis, benchmarking existing systems against applicable ISO/IEC standards, identification of compliance gaps, documentation development, quality manual aligned with standard requirements, standard operating procedures, policies, procedures, formats, and records, system implementation, process integration, role and responsibility definition, risk-based operational controls, internal audit and compliance evaluation, full internal audit execution, non-conformity reporting and corrective action tracking, management review support, performance evaluation metrics, management review meeting facilitation, accreditation readiness and support, pre-assessment preparation, technical and management compliance verification, support during accreditation body assessments. Our consultancy ensures end-to-end support from initial assessment to final accreditation approval. Now, target audience. These services are highly relevant for testing and calibration laboratories, inspection bodies, certification bodies, validation and verification organizations, quality and compliance professionals, independent consultants. At last, conclusion and our contact information. So, in conclusion, URGS International Certification and Instruction Private Limited offers technically robust training programs, structured implementation methodologies, comprehensive documentation support, end-to-end accreditation consultancy. Our objective is to enable organizations to achieve competence, credibility, and global acceptance through compliance with ISO/IEC standards. For further information, training enrollment, or consultancy support, please contact to our email ID info@urgsiso.com. Mobile number is +917359458455. Thank you for your time and attention. Thank you.